The 2025 Honda Civic Type R is an exciting, high-performance version of Honda's popular Civic lineup, offering a combination of striking design, advanced technology, and exhilarating driving dynamics. For 2025, the Civic Type R remains true to its performance-focused roots while incorporating some significant upgrades that make it even more refined and aggressive. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic Type R is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This power plant delivers an impressive 320 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. The engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, maintaining the traditional, driver-focused experience that Type R fans have come to expect. The front-wheel drive configuration ensures quick, responsive handling, making it perfect for those who enjoy spirited driving. Honda has equipped the 2025 Civic Type R with a suite of enhancements that improve handling and performance. These include a revamped suspension system with adaptive dampers, an upgraded limited-slip front differential, and larger brakes to improve stopping power. The new Type R also features a more rigid chassis, offering better stability and control, especially when navigating corners at high speeds. The exterior design of the 2025 Civic Type R is aggressive yet sleek, with a bold front grille, wider fenders, and a prominent rear wing that enhances aerodynamics. The car's lower stance and widened track give it a more muscular look while also contributing to better handling performance. The distinctive red accents throughout the exterior and interior pay homage to Honda's racing heritage and give the Type R an unmistakable presence on the road. Inside, the Civic Type R offers a driver-focused cockpit with sport-inspired details. The interior features red and black accents, sports seats, and Type R-specific touches, such as a unique gear shifter and a race-inspired steering wheel. The dashboard is highlighted by a high-resolution infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. Honda has also included a digital gauge cluster that provides real-time performance data, including lap times, G-forces, and more. Safety and driver assistance technologies are another key feature of the 2025 Civic Type R. It comes standard with Honda Sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and more. These features help keep the driver safe while still maintaining the excitement that comes with driving a high-performance vehicle. The 2025 Honda Civic Type R is a complete package that blends thrilling performance with modern technology and design. It's a car that appeals not only to driving enthusiasts but also to those who appreciate a refined and capable daily driver. Whether you're taking it to the track or driving through everyday traffic, the 2025 Civic Type R offers an unmatched combination of excitement, comfort, and practicality. For those looking to take their driving experience to the next level, the 2025 Honda Civic Type R delivers everything a performance car enthusiast could ask for. From its turbocharged powertrain to its enhanced handling, this is a car built to thrill at every turn. With its aggressive styling, advanced tech, and undeniable performance, the 2025 Civic Type R remains one of the most exciting cars in the compact sports sedan category.